Hey friends, last week I've shown you how to gamify your life to achieve more positive things throughout your day. Today I will show you which activities you could choose to become a well-rounded and positive person, a kind of Renaissance man, or in today's terms, Renaissance person. But what am I talking about actually? First, you've probably noticed how fast our world is changing. Some of us even remember time before the internet, and now we are living in the middle of AI revolution. So in a way, we are living in the future. And this also means that generalists have a huge advantage compared to specialists. Because if you're specialized just in a small field and you're never looking outside of your field, well, you will have a hard time finding a new passion, finding a new profession when this field gets outsourced by technological progress. As a generalist, it's much easier to surf on the wave of technological progress because generalists can adapt easy and fast to developments. And the ideal of being a generalist is often referred to as being a Renaissance person. This refers to Leonardo da Vinci, and you probably know one or two things about him. He was a masterful artist, and today he's best known for his iconic paintings Mona Lisa and The Last Supper. But he was not only an artist, he was also an inventor and engineer, and he conceptualized early versions of modern machines, including ideas for helicopters and tanks. Da Vinci was also a pioneering scientist and anatomist, and he was making detailed studies of the human body. Besides this, his talents extended to other fields like architecture, urban planning, music, or mathematics. Besides being a polymath, he was also known to be a social person with a huge friend circle. So being a Renaissance person means being well-rounded and not just being a person who is just focusing on one aspect of life but forgetting all the rest of life's possibilities. And some weeks ago, I was watching a video by my newest favorite YouTuber, Odysseus, please check him out, and he was guiding his viewers how to become a Renaissance person in our digital age. So first, he was dividing life into 4 areas. First, the body, your physical body. Second, the mental area. Third, the social life. And fourth, the creative life. By focusing on all 4 areas, you can make sure to become a well-rounded person. So let's dive into that. Physical habits, well, they're important for maintaining your physical health and your body, for staying healthy, young and fit. But of course, being active in that area overlaps to the other areas as well because, for example, if you're exercising regularly, it improves your cognitive functions. It increases your energy and your productivity. It can also offer opportunities for social interactions, and I would say that physical activities, they play really a crucial role in achieving a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle, and there's something you should definitely not miss in your life. Next, we have mental activities, and they are like the workouts for your brain. So a lot of people know that they should work out their body, but they forget to work out their brain. Once somebody is graduating from school or university, well, normally most people stop actually doing mental workouts. And even at work, a lot of people don't get challenged mentally. So because they are mostly doing the same things over and over again every day. However, as your body becomes weaker when it is not used, the same happens with your mind. So it's important to cover this area. And you can do that by, for example, challenge somebody for a chess game, or maybe start learning a new language, or start learning how to code. It's all about pushing your intellect and expanding your mental skills and knowledge base. So that way you can keep your mind as sharp as possible, as long as possible. Next, we have social activities. And they're not just about having fun. Well, they are your secret weapon against loneliness and depression. And that's a real issue in our tech-focused world where everything happens in front of a screen. So you could elevate your social life by, for example, joining meetup groups or clubs and try doing activities like running, dancing, hiking, or anything else in groups. This way, you're not just picking up a new hobby, you're also building connections, you're finding your tribe and create meaningful relationships. And last but not least, we have creative hobbies. That hobbies are your way of expressing and exploring yourself. It could be painting, writing, music, you name it. It's not just about creating art or good art. No, it's about expressing your inner self, exploring your passions, and finding that deep, fulfilling sense of personal accomplishment. Every child is creative, but as an adult, we often forget our creativity, our passion, and it's really helpful to reconnect with that part of ourselves. Each of these categories, physical, mental, social, and creative, plays a vital role in becoming a well-rounded person. Of course, you may have noticed some activities will overlap. For example, if you're playing tennis, you're covering the social area, but you're also covering the physical area. Or, for example, recently I discovered a meetup in my home city of Vienna where you can discuss philosophical ideas, and that would, for example, cover your social life and your mental area as well. So let's think about your personal life and the activities and hobbies you're doing. Are they covering all the 4 areas, or is something missing? And if something is missing, which activities could you do to cover those areas? Probably chances are that you have a hard time implementing new routines, new things into your life. So you're starting a lot of things, and then after a while you stop doing that. Why is that the case? Well, that's pretty normal. It's just hard to start new stuff, to building new routines. And that's the reason why I've built the Game of Life template I've shown in the last video. This template helps you to gamify your life by giving you points for each positive activity you do throughout the day. And this template, I'm using it myself, and it helped me so much throughout the day to do more positive stuff every day. And yeah, if you're interested in using the template, please check it out. The link is in the description of this video. But of course, you can also use different templates, habit trackers, or try to track new activities with pen and paper. The end result is most important, that you build a more positive life and yet you're covering all areas of your life. So that's everything for today. So what do you think? Is it worth becoming a Renaissance person? So let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a productive day.